Removing the glove box on a Mitsubishi. This is an Outlander, and it's similar in most of them. You're just going to open up the passenger side door. You're going to come in here, you're going to open the glove box, and then if there's anything in there, we're going to take that out, which I've already done. And then you're going to come over to the right side, and you're going to see this arm here. You're just going to pull that arm towards you, and that will release that. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to put your right and left hand up here, and you're going to pull in on both sides of this, and you'll just push that towards you. I'll show you real quick. Go to the outside of both of these, and I'm going to push in, and then that will drop down, and that will lower your glove box. Then with your glove box down, what you can do is you can sometimes pull this straight out, but you have to be careful because these can actually break off. So if you come up to the back with your finger, and you're just going to push that off, and you'll do the same thing on the other side. And that's easier with two hands, but I believe I got it started. There we go. And then that will remove your whole glove box. So you do have to be careful. If you pull really hard, these plastic components can actually just break right off. So it's best to push from the back. And then to install it, you're just going to connect those back on and just do everything in reverse. So it'll look like this. Put these on, push. Then those are installed. We're going to push this back up. That's in place, and then we're going to take that arm, put it over the edge, push it back on, put your stuff back in the glove box, close it up. That's how you remove the glove box on a Mitsubishi. This is a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport.